All right, here we go in explaining to you all how to basically add Google Analytics to a Wix website. So if you own a Wix website, frankly, you could probably navigate it in many ways or navigate to it. But here in the main dashboard is a drop down menu for basically site actions where you open up the editor. And so once the editor renders fully, you'll see some other options and we'll be able to get to the Google Analytics. So under the drop down menu of settings, down below is marketing integration. So you see off to the right says Google Analytics. You can also add your Facebook pixel and other forms of marketing integrations. Once you click on that, it should hopefully give you all these potential opportunities to set up how you connect with all these different forms of marketing tools. So in Google Analytics, if you click on Connect, right above here it says Connect Google Analytics. It's asking for a UA code. Now do note that Google has upgraded or is moving to GA4. So this may end up being an outdated solution, but for the time being, we should, I think, hopefully be able to add just the UA code and start going. So in Google Analytics, if you are set up with an account, you should be able to see it in property settings. And so let me just kind of show you here. So let's say you are, just logging into your Google Analytics. If you don't have it set up, rather, if you're not completely signed up on an account, you may not have this kind of menu. You might have to go through the actual steps. But if you do, all you have to do is click on admin, and then sometimes it's not showing up, but you want to look for the central area where it says property settings. And once you click onto that, you'll see the UA code. You copy and paste this, and you slap it into here. And so once that's done, you save it, you're good to go. So hopefully that helps any of you who are trying to figure out how to set up Google Analytics for your Wix website.